You can see what a seriously foolish pose. Like, yeah. It's like Mohabbat Shah Rukh Khan pose, huh? It's like the Mohabbat Shah Rukh Khan pose. Whoa. Enjoying the breeze, huh? Oh my god. Oh my god. You can see over here our consultant, our driver, our video camera recorder. What Dillu bhai. You can see the hairs. Like the hairs are like the most perfect part in this guy. As you can see that it's like complete, it's kind of a brown type of part. And now he's recording. I don't know what he's recording, but you can see the sunrise over here. I might think like you've been recording that only. Hey Dillu bhai, you want to say something? You want to say something? You want to say something, dude?
एक अच्छा चीज रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ.
See the whole beach is there. This is Chandrabhaga beach, right? This is Chandrabhaga beach. And you can see the whole lot of bags were carrying by Jen. Like a carriage man over here. And the pose was still going on. And the poses were still going on. The cameraman is keep on taking the clicks. He's been hired only to take the girls' pics, right? Huh?
मस्त है. डालेंगे इसमें एडिटिंग. ये मस्त है.
As you can see, these two girls, they're so.
नीचे जा रहा हूँ मैं.
So Surbhi, what you want to tell about the ride?
Nice.
Only nice?
Awesome.
Awesome? Just that? यार मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, हैशटैग थोड़ी बोल रहा हूँ. तो इंस्टा में हैशटैग लगा रही है, हैशटैग प्रीटी ऑसम.
जो मस्त आ रहा है. इधर देखो. ये फोटो का ओरिजिनल देखो.
अभी तो दिखाओ. एक सेकंड. So I'll tell you more about the things.